Hi, welcome back to another how-to from Wagmore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today's video, we're going to do another simple do-it-yourself dog treat video. And today we're going to do a fan favorite, bacon biscuits. So come grab your four-legged ones, grab a notepad. We'll tell you everything that you need and we'll get started. Let's go. For everything you'll need today, your choice of flour. We use at the store, the Bob's Red Mill. It's all gluten-free flour. Your choice of cookie cutter. We use a multiple cut, make things speed up. You're gonna need unsalted beef broth, a box of fully cooked bacon, and vegetable oil. Mixing bowl, rolling pin, and if I can find it, your measuring cup for your flour, and a fork. And I'll explain to you why you'll need that later. So today you'll need 1 1/4 cup flour, your choice, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup of beef broth, box of pre-cooked bacon. We're going to take our 1 cup and 1/4 of flour and put it in our bowl. Now we're going to take a few pieces of the pre-cooked bacon and put it in our blender. And we're going to pulse it for a few seconds until finely chopped. Now we can take our tablespoon and measure out a cup of the pre-chopped bacon and add it into our batter. Next we're going to take 1/3 cup and measure out and pour our unsalted beef broth into the mixing bowl. Now we're going to pour in our 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now we can mix away. After a few minutes of mixing, our batter is complete. We're ready to pick out our cookie cutter, and we're going to get some flour and our rolling pin and start rolling out our cookies and pressing them. Coming back to the reason for using the fork is once we have all our cookies placed on our sheet with our parchment paper, we're going to go ahead and pierce the middle of each cookie so it cooks evenly and doesn't create any air bubbles for when it's baking. Now that all our cookie trays are in the oven, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to set the timer for approximately 20 minutes with the convection oven and maybe a little bit longer with the regular oven at 350 degrees, and we'll check up on it periodically and we'll come back in a few. Our timer's complete. It's been 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and open it up. We're going to take a look and see how crispy the biscuits came out. If they're a little soft, you can put them back in for another 5 to 10 minutes, but these guys are all ready, and most important part, the test.